There's a lot of ways to make money online if you want to take some action, all right? If you take some action, if you follow these steps and you patient enough, there's going to be money for you guys. So hit subscribe and let's go and make money. Now, the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to make yourself PayPal account if you don't have one already. Or you can use wise.com, it is good. And what I really like doing when I want to make some money online is going over to people per hour. Now, you don't have to be a freelancer in order to do this, but it helps. So what you could do on people per hour, you can search for something like video, photo, and image, and you can just head over to image editing, and you can see that a lot of people are doing this. So, for example, you can find someone who is like not that expensive. Okay, so you can find certain people and you can just buy the service from them. So, what do you think about this, guys? For example, let's take a look at this person. So, retouch, simple Photoshop job, and it charges $10. So, this person is charging $10. She already says that she has 78 sales on people per hour. And as far as I can tell, this $10 is not too much, right? $10 is nothing. But just take a look at this, guys, and this is where our strategy comes into play. So if you go over to Fiverr, so it's another freelancing website, and if you go on graphics and design and you go to image editing over here, you can actually see that these guys charge a lot more. So for example, just take a look at this one. So it's $20. So what I propose you to do is that you make a gig just like this person on Fiverr, and you can charge 15, $20, whatever you want, and then you just go and when you get a customer, you go to this person on people per hour. You pay them $10 and you go back and you charge for the same work on Fiverr for $20. Okay, so that's a nice strategy. I love doing this. It is called drop servicing. Okay, and it is a really profitable method. The only downside of this is that you have to go and you have to search for the people and you have to be a bit patient until you get the customers on Fiverr, but it works. Okay, so it really works because I don't know why, but everything is more expensive on Fiverr, and that's just how it works. So basically anyone can make this strategy to work. You just have to do a bit of a research to find all of these like not so expensive gigs on people per hour, and then you just go and resell them on Fiverr, guys. That's all that you have to do. Now, one more option that you could do is you can learn to work in Photoshop, and there's a lot of free knowledge on YouTube, for example. So you can just type in Photoshop, or you can just add in tutorial, and you'll have a lot of these videos, and it's just free. Just take a look at this course. This one is suited for beginners, and you can see that it is 3 hours long. And when you're done with this, you can just do this, I don't know, in maybe 2 days or maybe today if you are a hard worker. Well, when you're done with this course, you will know the basics of Photoshop. And that's good because this skill can stay with you for a lifetime, okay? You can sell this until you live, okay? So it's a nice way to learn a new skill so you can make money off of it forever, like, and you feel satisfied and you feel proud of yourself. It's not that hard, and above all, it is free, okay? All of these guys are given the free knowledge. You can make a lot of money on it, whether you choose people per hour or the Fiverr.com website, it doesn't matter. But of course, you could use drop servicing, whatever the choice. I'm just giving you the options. So maybe some of you like this one, maybe some of you like the other, but in the end, it all makes us money. You just have to take the action and be persistent. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you like our channel. Thank you. Now, if you don't have any money to invest at the start for the drop servicing, or if you just want to get some money online by investing your time, you can go to idle-empire.com and you can do these like surveys, offer walls, offers, watch videos. You can just involve yourself into some referrals, and this website offers you some great opportunities. You can even get some crypto on here if you like that, and you can see that Idle-Empire is a really good website. Just take a look at this rating, 4.6 out of 5. That's great. Now, what I like about this website is that if you go over to the Earn section and you click on the videos, you will be redirected to the Hideout TV, which is a partner of theirs, okay? And you have a lot of videos inside of here, and you can watch whatever you want. You can watch like these, I don't know, car videos. You can watch like these cooking videos, food, I don't know, pets, whatever you want to watch, you will get the money for it. Now, the important part is that the ads go and run, okay? You gotta see the ads. But the sweet thing about this is that no one is gonna ask you what was in that video, okay? They're not gonna check if you have actually watched the content of the video. So what you can do is you can just put, for example, this longer video, which is like 17 minutes long, and there are like 25, there are like 1 hour long videos, for example, like this 125, and you can just let it run in the background. Okay, so now you have 25 minutes to go and do something else. Okay, you can go and make yourself a breakfast, and this is making you money on autopilot. Okay, so it's a sweet thing. You can just let it run. The ads are gonna run, you get that money, and you don't actually have to watch the video, but you have to leave this be. So for example, you can do it on your phone while you're doing something else on your laptop, whatever. It is just good way of getting that money. And of course, once you're satisfied, click on withdraw, choose your payment method, and that's it. Everything will of course work all around the world, and such as the next website. And the next one is called freecash.com, and it's one of my favorites when I want to invest my time in order to get the money. Just take a look at this. 10.24 bucks is the average money earned by users yesterday on this platform. So if you're like an average Joe, you can just get that 10.24, and if you do this for 30 days in a month, guys, that can be easily 300 bucks for you. Now, that's good money if you ask me, and the best part about this one is that you can spend 17 minutes and 16 seconds right now, and you'll be able to get your first cash out, okay? So this is what is good about this website. It is fast, and you can see that you have a lot of these earning options. So you can choose to play some games if you like that. You have a lot of them, or you can just do these like offer walls or survey, whatever you like. You can use it to get the money with. And of course, just take a look at this. They have beautiful cash out options. You have PayPal, you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin. You could even get yourself a Netflix subscription if you like that, and you have a lot of these like skins for games. So you can choose, guys, whatever suits you. There's a reward for you, okay? Free Cash is really good one. You can actually take a look at Free Cash on Trustpilot. They've got 25,000 reviews, and they've got 4.6 out of 5 as a rating. I mean, this is excellent. One more thing which is really important is that this website is popular. Just take a look at this. Each month, 8.7 million people are coming on the website to make money, okay? So it's a pretty popular one. It is nicely rated, and it gives you some good money, guys. So I highly suggest that you involve yourself. Go and take that action, whichever method you want, and I'll catch you later.